In the heart of South Asia, a storm brews. Pakistan, a nation known for its rich history, diverse cultures, and breathtaking landscapes, is today grappling with a tempest of political unrest. On May 9th, voices of dissent echoed through the streets, a manifestation of the citizens' discontent. A cocktail of allegations, from election rigging to governmental mismanagement, has stirred the public's dissatisfaction into a frenzy. The political landscape, once dominated by figures like the late General Pervez Musharraf and former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, is now a battlefield. The struggle for power is ongoing, with the risk of social unrest looming large. As the world watches, a pivotal question arises. Will Pakistan navigate this storm to emerge stronger, or will the turbulence leave lasting scars? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding narrative.